like to request Rohit Sharma and his team to please come up on stage and receive this check of 125 crores from the BCCI.
का एक कमाल का T20 करियर रहा है। सेलिब्रेट किया है, लेकिन हमने उनके साथ बिठा एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैड टाइम टू reflect on what has been a momentous performance in the World Cup. What did Virat Kohli say in front of these fans sitting at the Wankhede since 3 p.m? Let's have a look at that again.
Firstly, a big thank you to all the people turning up in the stadium, and what we saw on the streets tonight is something I'm never going to forget in my life. Sorry, what was the question? That's the last 4 hours. I asked about the last 4 days have been a roller coaster of a ride, honestly. We won the World Cup. We wanted to get out of Barbados as soon as possible, get back to India, celebrate with everyone. Got stuck in a hurricane, bit of an anticlimax feeling, but since we came back, what has happened has been phenomenal, as I said, and just the final day in itself was truly, truly special. I'm sure, like everyone in the stadium, at one point we also felt like, man, is it going to slip away again? Is it going to slip away again? And then what happened in those last 5 overs was truly, truly special. It was what I would like everyone to do is to applaud a guy who brought us back into games again and again and again in this tournament, and what he did in those last 5 overs, bowling 2 out of those last 5. It was phenomenal. A huge round of applause to Jasprit Bumrah, please.
It's also the time to let it go completely. All the pressure of expectations weighing down on those shoulders of Virat Kohli, and finally at the time to celebrate on the very ground that he celebrated being a world champion for the very first time. लेकिन इस सब के बीच में राहुल द्रविड़ ने भी अपने कोचिंग स्टिंट को अलविदा कहा उस जीत के साथ ब्रिजटाउन बारबाडोस में, लेकिन उन्होंने आज शाम इन फैंस के सामने क्या कहा, आइए राहुल द्रविड़ से सुनते हैं.
Came in the world because of the fans from India. Thank you so much. We're truly indebted to you guys.
And that's the man who's won many a game in India and abroad for the tricolour. He skippered the nation. He's also coached them now to a World Cup trophy. Rahul Dravid, आपको सलाम है. जिस तरह की शिद्दत, जिस तरह की मोहब्बत, जिस तरह का passion, जिस तरह का desire, and that integrity that he's shown along the way, with all the graciousness that's come along with it. But he's obviously a huge senior, a stalwart of Indian cricket. And speaking of seniors, विराट कोहली ने भी seniors के बारे में कुछ कहा. अब वो खुद भारतीय क्रिकेट के एक सीनियर है, लेकिन जब 2011 में पहली बार एक वर्ल्ड चैंपियन होने की फीलिंग को महसूस किया था, तब सीनियर्स ने.
मुझे लगता है ये भारतीय टीम का एक दौर शुरू होने वाला है, जिसके लिए जो आप बात करते हैं बैकएंड में इतना काम चल रहा है, इतनी मेहनत हो रही है, इतने प्लानिंग्स हो रहे हैं. विमेन क्रिकेट ले लीजिए, मेंस क्रिकेट ले लीजिए, जूनियर क्रिकेट ले लीजिए, ये सारा ना हमें सिर्फ फाइनल या सेमीफाइनल तक पहुंचना नहीं है, हमें अब ट्रॉफी लिफ्ट करना है, और वो भी लगातार ट्रॉफी जीतने, क्योंकि उसमें लाखों करोड़ों में उनको इस तरीके की खुशी मिलती रहे.